Computer labs looked a lot different when I was in school in the 80s and 90s, learning to type on an Apple desktop. Recently, I visited Greeley-Evans District 6, where they're upgrading their technology classes and making sure it ties into what the kids do outside of school. Do you have any other classes where you get to draw on the table?
No.
From the minute you walk into this room, you can tell it's not like any other class. This is always a very loud and active class like this? Is
Yes,
it typical?
very much.
And you're just milling about responding where needed, and they're pretty much on their own, it seems like.
It's amazing.
Heimen Elementary is one of the first in the district to get a SmartLab, a high-tech makerspace where students rotate through different stations.
We've got robots, we've got some engineering with Connect. The goal by the end of this summer is to have a SmartLab in every one of our elementary schools and middle schools, I believe.
Awesome, awesome. Oh, take your time.
Yes. Yes, what if you go backwards?
Curiosity is encouraged, even during a TV interview, and it's all about collaboration.
We work on different things that I didn't know about until I found out in SmartLab.
The Smart Labs are built locally by Creative Learning Solutions in Longmont. The schools get to tailor them. They can translate content into different languages and scale it to grade levels. But at every station, whatever's on the screen can be applied to the real world.
Just like a video game controller at home, if you play video games and everything, it's like when you touch the controller and, like, let's say you're driving a car or something in a game, when you touch the controller, it's basically touching this thing.
Did you just learn how to do this year in this class?
Just this week.
Hopefully it's a starting point for kids to think about their future.
Our district is really paving the way for our kids to be successful workers once they get out into the job force. This is the entry point for all of our students.
A lot of technology, a lot of engineering, which I want to be an engineer when I grow up and figure out things and make things.
Turning apples and spoons into controllers, through circuits. Smart Labs are actually in 35 districts across Colorado. Greeley-Evans District 6, though, has more than any district in the country right now, already in 17 of their schools. So.
And one kid wants to be an engineer and has like a side gig as a DJ.
Yeah, I think so.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's true.
Really cool.
Or vice versa, right? How you choose.